right? Fantastic. Mohit has brought it. So thank you, Mohit. Okay, so there are 4 suits, right?
Yeah.
And there are 13 cards within each suit. Now, I equate that pack of cards with our BNI Athena chapter. You may ask, how is it related? Okay, so these cards representing each one of us. Okay, right now we don't have 52 members, but that's okay. Analogy is still valid. So consider that each one of us is represented by one card in this pack. Now there are 4 suites. That means there are different power groups, right? Power teams, and there are 13 members in each power team, right? Now it's wonderful. We played cards at Mohit's house a couple of weeks ago, and it was beautiful. Now suppose one card is missing. Can we play the cards,
No.
my dear friends?
No.
No, we can't. That's how it is related. In BNI chapter Athena, if one member is absent, the whole meeting goes for a toss. Now, but beautiful thing is that we have this substitute. That makes the deck of cards complete, right? Okay. So now we need to understand how we can get the substitutes, who can be the substitute, right? So our family relations, our parents or children or spouse or brother, sister, that is one class of valid substitutes. Then the second class is our employees or colleagues in our business. They could be valid substitute, or even our neighbors. Somebody who knows our business very well, right, is a good substitute. So if we don't have substitute, our deck of cards is incomplete. Therefore, we definitely need to, if we are missing on one particular week because of some important commitments outside this, we need to arrange BNI substitute. Now, how do we do that? We have to tell the person well in advance. We have to keep them warmed. We need to educate the prospective substitutes what the BNI is all about. Where do I go every Friday? What do I do there, right? You can actually bring them along to one of the BNI meetings as a visitor first, and then they will be aware what goes on here. And then you can also think of people who have already visited us. They could be your substitutes as well. And finally, I want to tell you that without substitute, obviously you will be marked as absent, and you can have only maximum 3 absences in the rolling period of 6 months. So bring a substitute. Thank you very much.